Okay, so everybody knows that Rebel Wink, I do face tattoos and Dicky birds for free, and I got called out twice on 2 Dicky birds, so this was a how to do a Dicky bird on somebody's ass tattoo at Rebel Wink Tattoo Studios.
Ooh, I like it how you touch it like that. That part is all on video. This is going around Rebel Wink.
Oh yeah, it'll be on YouTube.
It'll be on YouTube.
It'll be on my website, yeah.
Alright, I'm packing my stuff in it.
Oh, you can, yeah, it's not going to be through Facebook.
Oh.
Facebook will shut the shit down and take it.
Really?
I'll put it on Facebook, but eventually, hell yeah, that one picture that was gangrene, they closed my whole page down. That one thing I had access to is that picture. The only thing they let me access. I couldn't have access to my profile until I took the picture down.
Yeah, it's videotaping and everything. She was like, oh, I like it when you touch it like that.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, it's recording. Looks like he's blowing his ass.
No, but you can smack it and set the heat.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Then you can say, Danny has smacked me on the ass.
I wouldn't do that because then that wouldn't be the first time. I wouldn't do that only because then he's going to upset mine.
Bam!
I'm good. I told you my ass was hairy. I wasn't lying. I am still ripping that off. Now you got to hold it. There.
I don't think I'm going to
I wouldn't talk about getting rid of it. It's like I want to rip it off.
No way! You'll never know the secret of making Krabby Patties. Wait a minute. I thought you said this was the secret formula for world domination. There's a direct correlation.
When I did a 360 around that motherfucker to rip it off.
No week is getting past that.
You need to taste the Krabby Patty, then you'll understand.
You can say you've had KY jelly on your ass too, because that's how you use it. And this is how you put the pattern on, just in case anybody at home wonders how you put tattoo patterns.
That's the less hairiest I've seen my ass in a long time. It'll make it a little less, or a little better.
I'm just going to get around the area because I got to go in all that. This is going to go exactly to the edge of the tape and everything.
Well, take a picture of that.
Get me rubbing this KY on there, man.
Cool.
You got it.
It's squirting, it's squirting. Yep. I'm gonna send it to Andrew and be like, there, I shaved my ass.
Oh, your ass took 3 of them. Tag him in it. Right, you're ready to do it.
Two Krabby Patties. Enjoy the meal. Oh, we will. We'll enjoy it a lot. Slave.
Oh, you want me to look good?
Well, now that you've experienced the Krabby
we'll fix that.
and control of the secret formula to take over the world.
That took some hair.
My bad. My bad, dude.
Try another one before I push you.
No.
No, part of the testicle was on the tape, so I had to rip the tape off real quick.
My ass is really fucking hairy. You can like tell in the picture. Yeah, right there.
Dude, I promise. And as long as you make the video like 3 minutes on YouTube, it stays because they tell you your stats. Like the attention span, how long somebody watches, so it tells you when their attention drops off. If you make the video where people start dropping their attention off, it helps make more people watch the video.
Let's get you like 1 million hits plus.
Oh,
if this is 1 million hits, we better make some fucking money.
I will. I'm going to monetize it.
We can't really get
as long as somebody clicks on the ad, you can too. I'll give you the video. You can put a YouTube video up. All you gotta do is monetize it when you upload it. Then if somebody clicks the ad,
it's a free Dicky bird. I guess something to laugh at.
Hey, stop.
Leave it alone. Hey, take this number in your phone real fast.
you're putting a video up. Why put a video up and not monetize it when you got the option to monetize it?
3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 4.
The secret formula now. Please, Man Ray. I must have more. Bring more happiness. Bring more happiness.
So what all colors you getting? Just pink wings?
That fucking bitch.
You gonna do the wings pink?
Yeah.
Alright. That's the only colors in?
Oh, what are the colors you doing? Pink wings and black dick?
No more.
Yes. Yep, pink wings and black dick.
Like white with black ink.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want solid black. You don't want a black top on that.
That's okay, I'm used to that. What's the last four digits to that number? I don't know. I told you, hold on. You told me, hold on after. 9376. 9376.
Stop it.
Don't hit your mother. Got it? You get on me? Listen, this bitch done said. Who is it? I don't know. She said, bitch, please, I told you who I am. I said, look, slut, this is Danny. You got the wrong number. She says, you hitting on me? No? Only if you're under my
You keep talking like that, I will be, not in a sexual way. Who the fuck you think you are? Who you usually dealing with when I ain't your man, bitch? That's how she usually starts the conversation with the opposite sex. Like, hey, you're over your line, and they usually work well for you.
I don't want to have to reach down to my beard every time. I lost my phone. Let me know if it hurts. It hurts? Huh? No, not really. Not as bad as I thought it was going to. Wow. What? It was like a vibrator. How do you know what the vibrator feels?
How do you know what that feels like on your butt? It really is. I would have found it today.
You wouldn't let me put the vibrator in yours?
That's not chocolate flavoring on it.
It's okay. I'll put it in my mouth.
Nor do I taste it funny.
Fucking friends. What? It's me and your fucking friends. Talking, isn't it?
Not just friend, but best friend.
Hey, it's a real pain in the ass.
Think about that car ride home.
Oh, man. Hey, you got a longer ride than I do. You know, I gotta take him home and then go back home. Or then go home. It's alright. I'll just make sure I leave to the left. Be black, I'm gonna be black. Right. What's this up, dude? That fucking hurts, man. They're disgusting. Don't touch me.
Smaller, and that's what makes it get all the bones.
Oh, I see. Cool, bye. So when I tell it that I have a girl, so I touch her.
I'll probably give a $20 fucking gas card away for everybody who fucking shares this motherfucker. I'll do a $20 gas card drawing and get this motherfucker shared in life.
Really, Bobby? Really? Is this the first time you got tattooed on his ass? Version of ass no more.
16 years doing tattoos, first time I tattooed ass. Most of the time doing them in prison though, that's why. I requested a spot to get a tattoo in the penitentiary, man.
You think that's funny? You wouldn't have fell on your head, would you?
He was like, hey, my finger slips, my bad in advance. Dude, motherfuckers are doing shit when they see those dudes.
Was Andrea waiting when you were last with this? I don't know how she was doing it. She was in her ears. So now, are we shading the wings in pink?
Sure. Alright. I got that nice bow on pink right there.
I think I left the water running at home. This cake would go well with you, baby.
Wait, we don't be without Friendly.
What should I take in?
Because, Friendly has got some brilliant songs for the king, and you just have to hear them. Isn't that right, Quiddly?
Story yet? Huh? Story yet?
It's probably all fat. It's probably not that many nerves in his back here, man. Back out like, man, I just bullshitting. Hey, you wanna come get a Dicky bird on your ass with me, you little bird? Alright, man. You know what second thought, man? Now that I see it on your ass.
It doesn't look that cool.
I think I'm gonna wait until he gets a vagina bird.
Then we'll really be able to go together.
You won't be disappointed.
Gotta pick your socks. Right off your feet. I'll give him back.
Yeah, I got you some new socks. I told you where you could get your socks. Walmart.
You got so much hair, man, it's fucking tape. The hair is like sticking to the tape, but the hair is like an inch off your head. The tape's like an inch off your head, it's still stuck to the hair.
Hey, I told you I had a hairy ass. That part hurt? Yeah, then my butt jumped. Let me pump it up a little.
Alright, well, you know, I'm getting ready to put it in, man.
I didn't get no beer.
The story tells of two brave knights who fall from the sky and are sent by the king to rid the remaining town of the evil dragon controlled by the...
And I promise, man, this way to get a bunch of fucking... I don't give a fuck if they hate on it or what. Motherfucker better comment.
Right?
If they don't, I'm taking my hat down, though. If this don't do what I thought it would do, I'm done.
You done with the big bird?
Yeah, if it don't do what I thought it would do. I ain't usually right about marketing strategy. I'm not usually wrong about my marketing strategy, though. Usually when I come up with a free marketing strategy, it goes pretty well.
Yeah. Maybe you're trying to give me a present. It's been worn by another woman already.
You hear what?
I'm gonna kick this time. You know what's coming.
That was a mistake.
Kitty. Getting it locked him out for me.
My apologies.
You got a game in her hand. Or the more jelly?
Two friends you safety, but you're fairly certain the evil wizard must know what the
Danny gets her out real good now. She didn't want to get off her hands or nothing.
Yeah.
She was just so calm right now.
Which one, guest or did they have?
Been that hockey? Leave it alone. You want some beer?
So much for that.
Uh-oh, that's silly.
I'll tell you what.
It's time you better go with
You want to taste it? Get the jelly bean on your mouth. Get the jelly bean on your mouth. No! Don't you want to taste
You
it?
got more than one? You don't need the money.
We need some gloves.
You don't need the money, girl. Money.
Leave it in there.
You're going to keep that in your mouth. I don't want to eat it now.
Eat it.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd be wiping another man's ass. My dad was in there, you know.
Wait, what?
I didn't even ever think I'd be wiping another man's ass when my dad was in a nursing home. If you were to take care of...
Oh, you still gotta make it thicker.
Well, yeah, I gotta come in here. I'm gonna do that when I shave it.
Yeah.
I got the inside line too. Fucking it gets so smeary. I got it now where I can freehand everything, so
Right.
I don't gotta worry about wiping off the pad or
Hold on, I'll take pictures.
I need a mirror.
You need a mirror on your ceiling. I was gonna say, you need a mirror on your ceiling.
I need a better ceiling. That's all I need is some tape. Tape and some fucking slabs. Next time we do get some 2-inch paper tape all in cracks. You look fucked up still. That was ass fucked up.
Huh?
I think it looks a lot better with highlights. I really like
No, the picture. I'm not saying the past.
it just gave it more character, but with the white and with the ceiling, it's more like it.
Kind of looks like an angel. Kind of looks like an angel.
It's a Dicky angel. That's the recording time that was on there when I started it. I don't got nothing on there really right now. Everything's ready.
Ready? It's related? It's bigger than mine.
Hey, if you add that to yours, you can actually stay in 7 years. You could win a lot of bets with that.
That's my extension.
Chloe, come on. Dave, grab her.
Why? Like sick cool or sick disgusting? Okay, that's what I was hoping for. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. When'd you dye your hair red?
I got extensions. My extensions are red. It actually looks really cute in person. Like, it looks really bad, like, in the light, but...
No, I'm not saying it looks bad. You just went into your wall.
How you did it?
I got told that I was like Sharon Osbourne.
You kind of do. Now that you say that, it does. I'm sorry.
It crossed my mind that you could get something like that.
Well, you're still like, oh my god.
I know. Okay, well, I gotta go. I'll text you. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, love you. Have fun.
Alright, love you, bye.
My husband's super gay. Hey, you're bleeding.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You bleeding down my ass?
Yeah.
You should probably get that checked.
Oh,
You guys are penetrating too much.
Smiley. Look at this smile.
Is it sore?
Are we on the color yet?
Yeah. We'll start the color.
Just starting.
Yeah. He's got like two little picture of it. I was trying to
Oh,
take
I
it.
fell asleep.
Quit taking me, Kurt.
Andrea.
My phone's feeling gay and slow.
Andrea. Hi, girlie. Hey. Quit looking at Uncle Danny. You're funny, Danny.
Why?
I don't know. I always said you're funny.
Oh, alright. I knew that. Does it hurt yet, Steven?
No. Not at all.
Can't be that bad. Said he went to sleep again. You probably got sober. Drink some more beer. I got vodka up there.
Nope.
Beer's good. Got a one.
You say it's kind of warm?
Got a one. Oh. I don't need this shit. You don't drink at all. Motherfucker would be a bitch or I died.
You having fun to smack yourself back then?
Yeah, actually my last like 4 or 5 years. It took me about 6 months to drink. There's not enough space on my SD card.
You gotta release some pictures of your penis.
I know, right?
Yeah, his gonna take pictures.
Oh, there's not enough room on your SD card. It's probably the pictures you got of mine on there. Probably. Mine take us a lot of room, man.
Put that on your SD card.
He does not need a ball right now.
You don't want it. You don't want it. Good cat. Holy crap.
How old is
That
she?
cat likes reflux. 8 months, 6 months, 7 months, somewhere around. Steven, how old is your daughter? 8 months. 8 months, okay. So that? The dog in my face?
Oh,
My puppy?
it's like a shopping cart in the triangle. I'm not ready to put a shopping cart.
Wow, she loves phones.
You know how many people they have that fucking administrate Facebook?
Well,
That's a fucking nightmare, man.
stop kicking me.
That's part of why you get away with doing half the shit you get away with doing on Facebook. They got over 60,000 servers to run Facebook. They have 60,000 servers.
It's the CIA, they'll let you do whatever the fuck you want so they can catch you up.
No, I'm saying, have you ever seen like what I have to go through on my website to stop like fucking hackers and shit like that from getting in my shit and putting their websites on my shit? And I got like 50 people a day going
Here,
to my
little girl.
website. Then fucking try to spam me and put shit on there. Sometimes they go on and do, I got like over 700 comments I gotta go through.
Here.
And find the ones that are related to tattoos and the ones that are spam. It takes like a couple hours just to do that shit. But I care what goes on my website. Facebook don't really care. I don't want nothing on my website but fucking tattoo related shit.
It's almost done, Steven. With one side. You say with what, 1 week? Yeah. But it's going to take about 10 minutes to do this 1 week. Only got about an hour.
Shit, I started growing it nice too, man.
Yeah, it is.
That's a badass suit, man. I love that suit.
Which one is it, both of them?
Yeah, Starbright. All Starbright shit's fucking awesome.
Let me go to Danny's page again, okay?
Is my coffee hot up there, man?
I have to look. I probably have to make some.
I just made a pot.
Oh, did you?
I know it ain't took me 3 hours to do this.
So you're telling me our village idiot became president of the United States?
Who wrote that? Oh. Yeah, it's still not on your wall here. I knew you were gonna drop that on my foot. I knew it was coming.
Did it hurt?
No.
Then why are you talking? It's still on there.
Because I can talk. That's why.
Reload your, refresh your.
I didn't.
This will be fun.
Yeah, you gotta hold her for a second. Hold on.
You got one of them taken out? But this should be fun. So like you got one of them taken out?
No, I meant you getting one next.
Oh, so you actually have it this time? What? Sure, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Meet some girl about say, I bet you can play my God for an hour and you can't get hard.
It's already hard.
Pull down your pants.
It's already hard.
Put a lip one on the other side.
Oh my goodness.
You
Not like watching one man fondle your man's ass, right? Melon's like, I gotta see this shit.
What you doing, Mama?
I think it's been about, what, 2 hours? What time we started?
10.
Sorry, after midnight.
Not after midnight.
About 10 till midnight.
Okay, it's close to midnight.
5 till.
Okay, last time I checked, it was pretty close to midnight.
6 till. Hey, you doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama?
What are you doing, Mama?
Hey. There you go.
What are you doing, Mama?
Let me get your shoes. You okay? Whoa. Oh my goodness.
That's how you do.
Only one more side left.
I'm off your ass, Steve. Literally.
You what?
And he said, when he said one more side left, and I said, I'm off your ass, literally.
Sweet. And then he's on my ass.
That's right. Man, that bitch mad at every excuse fucking outcast made, man. She fucking let some bitch move in when I was locked up in Mississippi. Bitch stole my drawers and everything, man. Fucking a shitload of my CDs.
Fucked up.
Fucking mad as fuck, man. I mean, it was old shit. You like MJG and the 8-Ball, fucking old Outcast shit from like 95, 96, 97. Fucking Do or Die. All my fucking old shit, man. Dude.
You're lightning.
Dig up. No.
Come here, baby girl. Your mama? You gotta break your little heart. Come here.
Oh, somebody made my little kitty cry. You want me to get him, baby?
Daddy broke her heart. He picked up another girl.
Oh.
And he told her no. Couldn't do it. Hey, Mama's here. Mama got you still. Dad doesn't even show a computer upstairs.
Don't worry, I'm gonna do it.
Like whenever I comment it on, I still get a notification on my phone.
It's like covering up the pink.
It's right when I take it out, but it stops after a while.
You don't want me for a few minutes before you get yours done?
No.
You're all the way down in the bed? Yeah? Your friend's still awake up there? Oh, yeah.
Him and Dawson's up there having a blast.
Mhm.
Dawson's eating them with the Yoshi.
Get out now, Mr. You see yourself in the mirror, I think.
No, it's you and
Oh.
that thing in front of me.
Well, see, you need to buy something in the mirror.
Man, you actually got a fucking tattoo on your whole ass cheek, man. That's I believe that counts as a whole ass cheek piece, man. I'm pretty sure this counts as a whole ass cheek piece. I don't think it has to have nothing around it. It takes up the majority of the ass cheek. That's an ass cheek piece, man. I mean, we can put some clouds around it or something, make it go all the way out. I'm pretty sure this is good enough to say, hey, I got my fucking right ass cheek tatted.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, when I go home, that's take her with me, or you taking her with you?
Are you leaving before this? Well, if I take her, I'm running her all the way with me to drop in. I prefer her to go with you.
You live in Elkhart, don't you?
Mom wanna go put her
No, I live in Milton.
Oh, Milton?
Guys, it was a stress eating mommy bed, okay?
That's what I was asking, basically. I didn't say to take the sweatshirt, I'm cold.
And it's cold outside.
Not my problem. I'm not going outside.
I am. You'll like it to start seeing your own van.
No, I said you take it all with you.
I'll do it, yeah. Josh wants it.
That's right. You stay with me, baby. Hey, baby, you stay with me, okay, baby? Yeah, I'm not gonna use tattoo anything.
She's like, I don't want Dicky blood on my hands.
I'll give you 2 tattoos, baby.
You know, some heights and stars.
You be a little tattoo baby model.
Look, my cousin that I was just talking to, she got there a couple, like 2 weeks ago. She said she spent $200 for all that.
Let me
Yeah.
Put it down.
I was like, you would have spent less in gas to come here on the tattoo and less in gas to come here and get some jobs.
They charge you $100 an hour. They want $1,800 to do my sleeve, man, with the bun. It's like a forever and infinity.
This is infinity and beyond.
For those 2 tattoos is $200, and that's just words, right?
Yeah.
$100 an hour.
This one right here on my back was $150.
She said,
And that was with
she
it.
did my nipples for free.
What?
Like, she got her nipples pierced. She said, well, he did my nipples for free. I was like, no, for that price, your nipples were thrown in that price.
I mean, shit, 'cause they do, I know motherfuckers got pierced nipples. They do any piercing for $20.
Right.
And that comes with a stud. And that's the whole shop that'll do it. It don't matter who at the shop does it good to. That's why I take her to get hers done. $20.
I remember when I got my hood done, that was $150. I didn't pay for it. 50 paid for it. She's the type of person that, you know, she can't do anything by herself.
I'm gonna bust your butt, knock it off.
She's like, she wanted it done so bad. I was like, I don't have $150, and if I did, I would not pay for it. You pay for it, I'll go with you and we'll do it. You pay for it.
She said, but he did them good.
Well, it's not hard to poke a hole through some fucking meat. Here, centerpiece of mine. I would have did them for fucking $20 a piece. I did mine myself. What?
She wants you, Dad.
Hey, baby. See, I would never ignore you like that, baby.
Yeah, you would.
Not until you started leaving the house and dressing skimpy.
She already flashes everybody. When you say something about getting dressed, she's naked in 10 seconds.
You want to get dressed?
I'm not dressed. She doesn't care if she's already dressed or not. I'm like, I gotta get dressed for work. I'm dressed. She's 4 o'clock. I'm like, you are dressed. Put your damn clothes back on.
No, I ain't getting my kids. It's bullshit, man.
Make you mad. You're gonna get pissed off.
Is that good? The real one? The real one?
Stop scratching your head.
Daddy's tired of holding you. My back's hurting.
I don't want it. Put it down on the floor. Put it back where you got it from, you brat. Every day you want to be you. Today's one of them.
We're going down about 15 minutes.
Alright, really, son. Look at the bottom of that room right there.
I was just guesstimating 15 just in case.
Yeah? Feel it all that?
Well, you didn't not lie. You did go out of town this weekend.
What?
I told Chris I was going out of town. Let's get the weekend on. They wouldn't try to pull me in.
I'm like how you knew that and I didn't.
Huh?
I told you that.
No, you just said you had the weekend off. You never said you were
No.
going
I
out.
told you I was going to ask Chris if I could have the weekend off by telling her that I had to go out of town for something.
Very good.
Whatever, like 2 weeks ago.
So I get mad at you like you do to me? When I tell you something you don't know
I'm
you
going to throw
tell me?
something at your head.
What?
I'm going to throw something at your head.
Go ahead, you have a baby in your arms.
Yeah, I'm going to throw it.
Go ahead. If I don't catch him, it's your fault.
It's not your fault. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, is it open?
Oh my God.
What? Oh, you gotta go pick up stuff that's on the floor.
Just drop it.
You dropped your kid and run over and pick it up.
Oh, I got that.
Danny, plus you need to talk to your phone. What about that? Shit, I got my charger on me. I got a charger in the truck too. I got a research.
Hey man, I got some speakers over there. I'm gonna grab the batteries before we start Danny's
Turn it off.
And that's the Dicky Bird, brought to you by Rubber Link Tattoo Studios and compliments of Steve Hayes' left cheek ass, or right cheek ass. And the Dicky Bird fly off his ass.
Took me for granted, took my heart rate straight in place.
Once again, I got somebody at Rubber Link cashing in on a free Dicky Bird. Keep his name anonymous.
Hi, fuck that, Danny Dre.
Not his face.
Or his ass.
Yeah, or my ass.
Nothing better than a little personal lubricant.
Now if you hear a popping sound,
Put the pattern
a
on.
little bit. You said it doesn't hurt. Get your filthy hands away from me.
Act like that.
You should do.
How the fuck it hurt? Get that out of my ass. Get your needle out of my ass. You said it wasn't that big.
You're scared your daughter, babe.
It's okay, baby. I'm not hurting you, Daddy. Oh, now you really never gonna like me. Shit.
That kind of like made my feet tingle. That was weird.
Did what?
It made my feet tingle. I like sunk a little thing down my toe.
Wait until they start showing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
Your feet.
Ah! It hurts!
Your feet will be moving.
It's like tickling my ass now. It's falling on me.
Yeah, it's lost the bottom nuts. And I think all that gel fucking, when it was on that tape, fucked up the bottom of the nuts. So they didn't come off, but they're on there now.
Your nuts are gonna have a deformity.
You got testicular deformities. Just testicular irregularities.
What, honey? Are you traumatized when you look at your dad's butt?
Yeah.
You're like, what's going
Does it
on?
hurt?
No, not at all. You're so lame.
3 tattoos in a week, babe. How you feeling?
I'm gonna push you out.
Huh?
I'm gonna push you out.
It's okay, baby. Stay.
You need to grow some hair, kid. Your brother's gonna have
Kind of nervous about this one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
He's not liking that.
Not as bad as your ribs.
No, but it hurts.
Bless you.
You should
It's
get
more
some
important than tipping. Come
fat in
on.
your ass, and then maybe it wouldn't hurt so bad.
That's what we watch Uncle Danny. Why are your ass shaking so much?
Cause it fucking hurts.
Duh, I got one side of the wing done.
Oh, I know.
What's
Give her a shout out, Danny.
Here you go, Dana. This is for you. I know you can't be here, so I'm going to make sure you don't miss this shit. This is a must-see Reveling episode right here.
I still hope when I go to take a shit tomorrow. I agree about that.
You gotta make sure you wash it really good afterwards.
I'm not worried about the wiping part. I'm worried about it sitting and stretching on your feet.
I'm saying make sure you wash your ass after you take a shit tomorrow. You don't get some weird infection.
Wash that toilet seat first. Sit down after you're done. Wash your ass. Don't use my public restroom.
Just put me in your ass. How'd you get hookers on your ass?
Good smile.
Dan doesn't wash his ass.
I can see it from here.
Shit from fucking Hellcar, man.
He's so memorized.
Did my ass twitch like that?
No.
I know I twitched a couple times, but shit. That's the worst I ever twitched on a tattoo. Ask Josh. You realize you're going to be all like...
Just the other side real hard, babe.
Look like somebody with cerebral palsy. I also think that's the side that hurts all the time. And when I'm in pain normally, my cheek starts pulsating. Oh yeah, Casey did say her friend got a tattoo on her ass and she felt it in her tailbone. I'm not feeling it on my tailbone at all. No, wait until he gets after the outline. Once it starts hurting, that's when he's wiping. It's hurting now. What the hell do you mean?
He's like, hell, I know he's getting done. You can get the outline done, Dan. You're like, alright, I'm done. No color for me tonight.
I'll have to come back in 2 weeks.
Your tattoo's gonna look like somebody with cerebral palsy did it.
I don't care. Any squiggly lines I straighten out when I do the shading, so that's a good thing about back shading the lines.
Right. If I can keep still.
Oh, it don't matter if you move when I'm shading, I just keep going over and over again.